Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Nuggets. So friends, this video is about IUPAC nomenclature of substituted benzene compounds. In this video, we will learn about how to name the benzene compounds which are substituted. So let's start the video. But before starting, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe the channel Chemistry Nuggets and press the like button. So friends, there are 2 or 3 rules are there. If we follow these rules, we can easily write the names. Let's start. Rule number 1 says, if the benzene ring is attached to one substituent, then the substituent is placed as prefix to the word benzene. So they are telling, if as we know, this is our benzene ring having 3 double bonds. If there is only one substituent like this, or we can say we have a benzene ring with one substituent like this, or we can have one substituent like this. If we have a condition like this, then how to name this? Only we need to use the prefix of the substituent before the benzene. So in this first one, there is a methyl group attached to the benzene ring. So how do we write a name? We will write methyl benzene. Isn't it easy? Let's try the second example. Their substituent is nitro group. So we will write nitrobenzene. In the third example, we have a bromo group as a substituent. So we will write bromobenzene. So these are the rules for a monosubstituted benzene. Let's have a other rule. In this rule, they are saying if the benzene ring is disubstituted, it means if benzene ring having 2 substituents, then the numbering of the carbon atom should be done in such a way that the substituents are located at the lowest possible number. So when we have a benzene ring like, let's have an example. This is our benzene ring and it is saying disubstituted. So either it will be like this, or we have 3 conditions here for disubstituted benzene. So it will be like this. And the third condition is maybe it will be like that. If the substitution is try, it will be either like the first one or the second one or the third one. So how do we name them? We need to number them to get the lowest possible number. So if we number it here, we have carbon number 1 over here, carbon number 2. Like this we can do 1, 2, 3, and this one 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now in the first example we have the carbon, the substituents on the carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. One more thing I want to point is they are telling the substituent will get the lowest possible number. So we will not count like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we will not say like 1 and 6 substitution. We will say 1 and 2 substitution. Understand? This is just to mention how to number. So this numbering should not be done. Now, so how do we write the name? We will write it while numbering the mean. First we will write the prefix bromo and then we write the benzene, and we will need to mention the positions of the substituents. So in the first example it is 1,2 dibromobenzene. 1,2 dibromobenzene. Let's have a look on the second one. It has a substituents on the 1 and 3. So we will write 1, 3, again di, then bromo, benzene. The third example, it has the bromo group on 1 and 4 number carbon. So we will mention 1, 4. Then because there are two bromo groups, we will write di, then bromo and benzene. So this we can write easily. Now have a look on some other rule. If the benzene ring is di-substituted, so here again they are telling something new. If the benzene ring is di-substituted by two similar or different monovalent atoms or groups, three different position isomers are possible. So most of the time in the benzene, naming the benzene, we are using the common names. In that, some tribal names are also very famous. So when these are di-substituted, some new words ortho, para and meta are in use. Let's have a look. If the two substituents are present on 1 and 2 carbon or 1 or 6 carbon, both are looking the same because if we count, both are the same positions, 1 and 2 or 1 and 6 carbon. This is called ortho. We will mention ortho like that. If it is the position is 1, 3 or 1, 5, this 1, 3 or 1, 5 is the position of the substituents on the benzene ring. Then the compound is called meta. If the position is 1 and 4 carbon, means the one substituent is carbon number 1 and the other substituent is on carbon number 4. This condition is called para. So we need to understand. Let's have example what we have taken in the earlier page. This is called 1, 2 position, or we can say 1, 6. If we are counting clockwise, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we are counting clockwise, it is 1, 2 condition, and if we are counting anti-clockwise from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it will be 1, 6. So 1, 2 and 1, 6 both are equivalent in benzene ring. So we will make it 1, 2 or 1, 6. Now, first I will write the examples, then I will write the names. To dibromobenzene. This is 1, 3 or 1, 5. Again, I told you clockwise it is 1, 3 and anti-clockwise it is 1, 5. And the third one is 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here also it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Clockwise number 4, anti-clockwise 1 and 4. So this is also a condition. So these three are the condition if we have a di-substituted benzene. Now let's have a look how to name them using ortho, para and meta. So in 1, 2 or 1, 6, we will write ortho, we will write in the substitute like shortcut O we will mention and we will speak it ortho. Ortho dibromobenzene, because it is 1 2 position. If it is 1 3 position, we will write it beta. Then dibromobenzene. If it is like 1 4, it is written as para dibromobenzene. So this is also a way to write substituted benzene. We will mention the positions 1 2 dibromo, or we can write ortho. We can mention 1 3 dibromo, 1 5 dibromo, or we can write meta dibromo. If it is 1 4 dibromo, we can mention it 1 4 dibromo, or we can mention para dibromo. Both are correct. Now, have some more rules. Now, the next rule says, if the benzene ring is tri-substituted or higher substitution is there, means if the benzene ring having 3 or more than 3 substitutes attached to the ring, then what we will do? First of all, we will do the numbering of the carbons so that we will get the positions of the substituent. And the numbering should be done in such a way that the substituent get the lowest possible numbers. So this we already learned how to do the numbering in the correct way in the earlier videos of IUPAC. But again, in the shortcut, I will tell you here. See, in the example number 1, we have 3 substituents, 1 chloro, 1 nitro and 1 nitro. 3 substituents on this benzene ring. So either we will start from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this we can do the numbering, or one more we have the way of numbering is either we will start from here 1, here 2, here 3 and here this is 4. So which one numbering we use, that will depend on the additions of the position, and if we get the smaller number, that will be correct numbering. So let's have a look. This will be a rough portion. So in the first counting type, we have 1 plus 2 plus 4 on the first number. On the second number, on the fourth number, we have 3 substitutes. Now do the addition. The result is 7. Now have a look for the other type of counting, in which we have nitro group on number 1. Then one nitro group is on number 2. Sorry, the other nitro group is on number 3. Here 1, here 3. And then the chloro group is on number 4, 8. So I told you the addition, which addition is having lower number, that is the correct counting. So we have 7 in this counting is correct and this counting is wrong. So that this is wrong, this counting should be discarded, only this counting should be continued. And now we are ready to write the name. So we will mention the substitutes before the benzene name in the form of prefix, and then while writing the substitutes, we will use the alphabetical orders as we are usually doing. So chloro nitro, C is coming first in alphabetical order. We will mention chloro first. We will write 1 chloro, then 2 4 di nitro, then benzene. Correct? The name of this compound is 1-chloro-2,4-dinitrobenzene. We will not name it like 1, 2, 3, 4-chloro. We should not do 4 from the second counting 4-chloro and 1,2-dinitro. This is wrong. This is correct. 1-chloro-2,4-dinitrobenzene. Let's have a example number 2. First of all, we will do the numbering of the carbon. So numbering should be done in such a way we will get the lower possible number. So shall we start from here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can do like this. What should be the addition number? The result will be, it will be 1 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, this should be 8. And if we are doing numbering from here, from this substituent, let me change the color so that you will see it clearly. If we will do one number here, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, then what should be the positions of the substituent? What will be the addition? It will be 1 plus 2 plus 4. See here, 1, 2 and 4. The addition result should be 7. So this is correct and this is wrong. So we will discard the red color numbering and we will follow the blue color numbering here and we will write the name. It means this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Now let's write the name. We have 3 substituents, methyl, chloro and nitro. So chloro will be mentioned first, then methyl and then nitro as the alphabetical order will be followed. So chloro is on number 2. We will write 2 chloro. Then methyl is on number 1. 1 methyl. And then 4 number is on nitro. 4 nitrobenzene. Correct? This name is correct. We will not name like, if we follow the other numbering system that we have discarded, it should be 3 chloro, then 1 methyl, it is 3 chloro, 4 methyl, 4 and then 1 nitrobenzene. That will be absolutely wrong and this naming is correct. So this is all about naming the benzene substituted compounds, and if you have any doubt you can write in a comment section. I will surely help you if you have doubts. Till then, keep studying. Thank you.